Guys, it's only 53. It's only 53 seconds on the clock.
Lapitan mo lang.
It's
Ay,
Pacific
lapitan mo naman yung mukha pa.
Pacific
Hindi makikita. Ito na mo.
countdown. Everyone's partying.
Sabi ng mga nanonood, ano? Duling.
Malapit!
Ang dami mo eh.
Not too close.
Yan.
Ayun na. Focus mo yung countdown. 20 seconds.
There's only 25 minutes left. So get ready.
Oh, ayun na.
Get ready, Pacific countdown.
Ayun na. Lapit na. 10, 9, 8, 7, ayun na. 10 na. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Abi, ayan mo yung...
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Pacific! Happy New Year, Pacific! Happy New Year, Pacific!
Grabe, bar lang sila, oh.
Happy birthday, Pacific! Happy birthday! Happy New Year! Basta whatever! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Sa buong Canada! 2026 na! It's already 2026 in the whole Canada, blood. So welcome 2026 Pacific Land and at 2026 Mega and 2026 Mega get to the best year ever, the best year ever, to the best year ever, to the best year ever. I hope 2026 will be your 2026 will be your year. 2026 will be your year. I promise you. You will pray for abundance. Pray for abundance. And do your superstition. And do your country's superstition. And the Lord may guide you to 2020 to the best year 2020. To the best year 2026. I hope you get a lot of money. I hope the YouTubers respect to them, to those who are popular to them. And thank you, God. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year and God bless you all. Happy New Year and God bless you all. And also the Happy New Year Asia fans for Pacific Canada. And Pacific Canada. So Pacific Canada. So thank you, guys, for supporting me this whole year. This whole year 2025. Thank you for supporting me this whole year 2025. Thank you, AC. I love you all forever till I die. Thank you, AC. Thank you all. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you to all the YouTubers and small content creators out there. Thank you, respect to you, and so hopefully my 2026 guide you to the best year ever, So bye guys, and God bless us all. Thank you and happy New Year and God bless you.